Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to copy from ChatGPT without black background, white background, and gray background. So let's try going to ChatGPT website. Open your browser and then try copying a message from ChatGPT. So for example, this one. And now, when we go to our Word application and then paste the message from ChatGPT there, you can see the background from ChatGPT, right? I mean, this background is color gray. So, in order to get rid of it, you just have to go to your notes application first, okay? And then paste the message here that you just copied from the ChatGPT website. Okay, now that you have paste the message here, you just have to copy it again. Okay, so copy the message and go back to the Word application. Then try to paste the message that you just copied from your notes in here. You can now see the difference between the two. The second one does not have the gray background or the black background because you use your notes application first before pasting it to your Word application. So that's it. That's one of the ways that you can do in order to get rid of the background. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.